السلام عليكم. السلام عليكم. How are you, Yusuf? How are you, Riyad?
Good morning, mister.
Good morning, Riyad. Good morning, Hadi.
السلام عليكم.
How are you, Hadi?
الحمد لله. How are you?
Fine, alhamdulillah.
الحمد لله.
How many students were in the previous class for your grade?
8 with me, sir. So
8.
7 without me, 8 with me.
Okay. Our lesson today is talking about the inequalities, Muhammad. Inequalities, we talked it before in algebra. We will take it today in geometry. So before we start, we have to make warming up. So the first thing, I have to share the screen with you. How can we solve? Can you see the inequalities, Muhammad? Muhammad Hadi, can you
Yes, I
see?
can see it. Yes, I can see it.
Okay. What are the properties of the inequalities? You have to know that.
Can I go, please?
Yes, you can. Okay. As you know, Riyad, the properties of the inequalities, addition, subtraction, like the equations, like the equalities, like the equalities, okay? Addition, subtraction, and multiplying division. But here you have only one thing is different. If you multiply the inequality by a negative number, you have to reverse the sign of the inequality. If you multiply or divide the inequality by a negative number, you have to reverse the sign of the inequality. The first one, how can we solve it? Negative 5 plus x more than or equals 4. Look at the board. Okay. Can you see the board? Who is attending with us? I want to know
Yes,
the
mister, I
names.
can see.
Yusuf Samaha, how are you, Yusuf? We have Muhammad Isam. Muhammad Isam الوات
حبشي
حبشي ولا الحبشي ولا محمد
I'm good, Mr.
Okay. Muhammad Hadi, Kareem. Okay, Kareem. I choose Kareem. Kareem, if, oh my God. Here, negative 5 plus x. If you want
Yes,
to
mister.
solve it like the equation, you have to add 5 to the both sides.
Yes, yes.
So negative 5 plus 5, 0.
Yes,
So you
yes.
have only the variable
X,
x in the left side, more
yes.
than or equals. How can you graph it? You have to put the 9 like this, and the greater than should be to the right because all the numbers, greater than 9 should be right to it. To what? To infinity. How can you represent it? It is very important, guys, because we will use this till grade 12. How can you write it in interval form? You write the smallest number, and you know the 9 is smaller than infinity. Then the greatest number, which is infinity. The 9 is shaded. The 9 is shaded, so you have to close it like this by using this bracket. Okay? The infinity is unknown, so it should be open. It will be drawing or broadly like this type. Another example here. Muhammad Hadi, are you there? You're still in the bathroom?
No, I'm there.
Here, what is the number here beside the variable? Negative 5.6. So we will add 5.6 to the both sides. So the x is greater than 1.5. The same. Here also, minus half. So we will add half here and half here. So x is greater than 3 over 4 plus half. You can use the calculator. It will be 1 and 1 quarter. 1 and 1 quarter, if you want to represent it, guys, How can you do it? Huh? How can you graph it 1 and 1/4? No one. Okay. If you want to graph it, make the number line, and this is the 1 and 1/4 greater than Muhammad Hadi, Yusuf Samaha. It will be like this. We will shade all this area except the 1 and 1/4. Why? Because here it is a greater than only to infinity. How can you write it as an interval? Write 1 and 1/4,
Mister,
which,
do we need the book?
yes, today.
I opened page 60.
Why? Why you are asking about the book?
We need the book?
When I need it, I'll tell you, okay?
Okay.
So you have to write it like this, 1.25 and infinity, and both are open because the 1.25 is not a shaded. Can you read it, this question, Muhammad Assam? A new car?
Yes, mister.
Yes, can you read it? A new car costs, huh?
A new car costs no more than 35,000, including options if the
Options, huh? If the options, Muhammad Assam, I think we missed him. Muhammad, are you there? Muhammad Assam.
Yes, Muhammad Assam. Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay. Uh, Muhammad Hadi, can you complete the reading?
Yes. Number five.
Yes.
Cars. A new car costs no more than 35,000, including options if the option costs
Yes, mister.
A.
Okay. Let Muhammad Hadi complete. Huh.
If,
Mister, my
if,
internet.
Okay, no problem, Muhammad. Yes, I appreciate it. Huh.
if the options cost 8,523, write and solve an inequality to find the cost without options T in dollars.
Yes, when you go to buy the car and the salesman told you what is the expected salary, sorry, I'm sorry, what is the expected price you want to buy the car with it. You told him I need the car no more than 35,000. He told you, okay, we have many cars without no more than 35,000, but you have an option with it. What is the option? Option, that means you can choose it and you can eliminate it. The option, they will give you, for example, camera. They will give you remote control for everything in the car. They will give you screens or displays for the videos in the car. They will give you, for example, games, video games, or anything in the car. So you told him no, I need the car without any option, ya Karim. So you told him if the price of the car with the option equals 35, less than 35,000, I want to eliminate the option, ya Karim. So I'll subtract the option from the both sides. So the price of the car or the cost of the car will be less than 26,000. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear or hard? Hmm. No one answered. Hello?
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister, it's
It's
clear.
clear.
Understand.
Okay. Today we will take the inequality inside the triangle. How can you apply the inequality inside the triangle? Look at the learning of the inequalities inside the triangle. You have to know the properties of it. Anyone can remind me the properties of the equalities? We took it before in the geometry in the first semester, guys. Addition, you know it, and we did it here. in the warming up questions. Subtraction, you can subtract the same quantity from both sides. But we still have the transitive. Can anyone remind me what is the transitive property in the equality? Yusuf Samah, you remember it? When I told you before A equals B and B equals C. You told me so I can conclude A equals C. We called this property transitive property of equality. But here we will use it transitive property of inequality. If you have A less than B and B less than C, then you can conclude A less than C. Like what, Yusuf? If I told Yusuf Samaha, you are less than, for example, يعني, you are less than Kareem, and Kareem less than Muhammad Hadi. So what can you conclude, Yusuf? Huh?
That
You,
I am
uh,
less than Kareem and Kareem is less than Muhammad Hadi.
لا,
And that
you
also
have to
means that
conclude
I am less
only
than
one.
Muhammad Hadi.
Yes, very good. The same here. Look, A less than B, B less than C, so you can conclude A less than C. The same for greater than. If you are Yusuf, greater than Kareem, and Kareem greater than Muhammad Hadi. So what can you conclude, Kareem? Kareem. Oh, sorry, Yusuf, sorry. Yusuf Samaha. If you are greater than Kareem and Kareem greater than Muhammad Hadi, what can you conclude, Yusuf?
I'm greater than Muhammad Hadi.
That is the transitive property of inequality. The last two properties, addition and subtraction. If you add the same amount or the same part for the both sides of the inequality, doesn't it change? If you subtract the same amount from both sides, doesn't it change? طيب. Look at the first example, guys. I think you have it in your book, and we will solve it together. As you know before, the exterior angle. For example, if you have the triangle QPR, angle 1 is an exterior angle. As you know before, angle 1 equals the sum of the two remote interior angles, angle PQR and angle PRQ. Look at the board. I drawed it here, dropped it here. This is angle 1. Angle 1 is an exterior angle. So angle 1 equals the measure of the angle PQR plus the measure of the angle PRQ. Okay? That means the measure of angle 1 is greater than any one of them alone. And I can say angle 1 greater than angle PQR. Angle 1 greater than angle PRQ. How can we apply it here? Look, who can tell me what are the measures of the angle? Angle 1 is greater than what? Who can tell me? Angle 1 greater than what, guys, here? Can you give me an example for the angles? Which angle 1 greater than them? Yes. Angle 1 greater than angle 3. Yes. Angle 1 greater than angle 4 because it is an exterior angle. Angle 1 greater than angle 5. Angle 1 greater than angle 6. So, can I say angle 1 greater than angle 4 and 5? Yes, because they are smaller than the original angles. Look at the answers here. Angle 1 greater than angle 3 and angle 4. Angle 1 greater than angle 5 and angle 6. Because I told you angle 1 is an exterior angle, so equals the sum of the two remote interior angles, angle PQR and angle PRQ. So it's greater than any one of them. I took angle PQR. Look at the angle PQR. It consists of two angles, angle 3 and angle 4. So I can say angle 1 greater than angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 1 greater than angle 5 and angle 6. Okay? Here, measure of angle 2 here. Look at the angle 2. It's an exterior angle. So the same. Angle 2 equals the measure of the two angles. Angle R plus angle 8. So I can say angle 2 greater than angle 8, angle 2 greater than angle R, or angle 2 greater than angle 5 plus angle 6. How can we solve it, or how can we use this property to solve the questions or the examples? طيب. Walid there, or is not with us? Walid.
I'm with you, mister. I'm with you.
Oh, okay, Walid. Here, Walid. Can you see the figure?
Yes, mister. Yes, mister. Yes.
Okay. Here, Walid. Can you see the angles? In this
Yes.
box, we will put the measures of the angles is less than angle 7. Where is the angle 7? Can you see the angle 7?
Yes.
Yes, angle 7 is an exterior angle. An exterior angle for what? For the triangle LJK and for the triangle LMK. So, angle 7 is greater than which angles, ya Walid? Can I say angle 7 greater than angle 1? Yes. So I
Yes.
can put angle 1 here. Another angle. Can I
2.
put angle 2?
Yes.
Yes. Can I put angle 3?
Yes.
Are you sure? We don't know.
Yes, somehow, mister. We don't know because
No relation between 7 and the 3,
yes,
Walid.
yes,
So
because
we cannot. Fine. What about another angle? Angle 4? Angle 7 greater than angle 4?
yes.
Yes, because this is an external
Yes,
angle.
yes, yes.
Angle 7 greater than angle 5? Yes.
Yes.
I need angles greater than angle 6. What is the angle 6? Huh?
Yes.
Measures greater than angle 6.
Yes. 3 is
3,
greater
yes, 3 because it
than,
is an exterior angle for it. 3 is an exterior angle for angle 6. Huh?
and also
Angle
8.
8. Angle 8 is
Yes.
an exterior angle. So
Yes.
we will check from your answer, ya Walid. It is correct, Walid. Okay. Kareem, can you solve example number 2? Example number 1? Extra example.
Yes.
Okay. I think this we solved it. Okay. I'm sorry, Kareem. Look, Kareem. Here, he needs from you to arrange what? The angles from smallest to largest. How can you arrange them? You don't have any measure of any angle. So what should I do? You have to arrange them according to the order of the sides. What is the smallest side here, ya Karim? What is the smallest side?
I think MN.
MN. What is the opposite angle for it?
ML.
Angle. Karim, you said the side MN. The opposite angle is angle L.
Yeah.
You see? So I can put it in the first order. طيب. What is the second side, ya Karim?
Mm, ML.
ML. What is the opposite angle for it?
N.
So I can put it here. What is the third side?
NL or
LN. Okay. What is
yeah,
the opposite angle?
M.
So I can put it here. Okay, so the smallest angle is L and the largest angle is what? M, according to the same order of the sides. Huh? Okay, Riyadh, can you
Yes,
solve
mister.
the extra example with me?
Okay.
But here it will be the opposite, Riyadh. He will give you the measure of the angles. According to the measure of the angles, you will order the sides. Okay, Riyadh. It is the same,
Yes.
sorry, it is the same, Riyadh. Here, what is the smallest side here?
P. PR.
Side, Riyadh, side.
PR.
PR. What is the opposite angle of it?
Q.
So I put the angle Q at the first order. So what is the second side in the same order from
PQ.
PQ? What is the opposite angle?
R.
Okay, the third side,
RQ.
what is the opposite angle for it?
P.
So, okay. Why it's wrong?
I don't know. Wait, how two answers correct and one not?
I don't know. It should be two answers are not correct. Type again. I reset it again. Okay. Drag the angles of the triangle in order from smallest to largest. The smallest side is PR. So the smallest angle is angle Q. Okay. Then PQ. So the angle R. Then RQ. Ali Sharif there. So it's angle P. Okay. Can we check? Now it's correct. We didn't change anything. Okay. Example number 3 for Muhammad Hadi. Muhammad Hadi, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Here it is the opposite, yeah, Muhammad. We will order the sides according to the measure of the angles.
Angle.
Are you there, yeah, Muhammad?
Yes.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah.
Right. Look at the figure, yeah, Muhammad.
So,
Here,
Mr. Now, y is 90,
which is 90. They didn't
right?
say 90. Y is 90? Yes. Y is 90.
Yeah.
So what is the measure of the angle
So,
X?
90. 90
Ah, y-
plus,
uh,
sorry, 90
yes.
plus 55 minus 180, 39. X is 39.
Yes. So we have to put here what?
39. 90,
90.
90, sorry, 90.
Okay. So the third angle X is 39. So according this order, yeah, Muhammad Hadi, can we arrange the sides? What is the smallest angle here, Muhammad Hadi?
X,
X. What is the opposite side of it?
the opposite side,
Yes.
YW,
Yes. So the first one, it will be WY.
Y, yes,
Okay. What is the second angle, Muhammad Hadi?
W,
Okay. What is the opposite side of it?
XY,
So we'll choose XY. Oh,
Y,
what is the greatest angle?
Y,
What is the opposite side of it?
WX,
So I'll choose the WX. Can we check your answer?
yes,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Who wants to solve the extra example number 3? Who wants to check his answer or to check his understanding? Huh? I want to choose Yusuf. Yusuf Rawas, you don't want to share with us? Yusuf Rawas.
Yes, mister. Yes, mister.
Can you share with us?
Okay.
Okay. Look at this example, Yusuf. We want to order the sides from shortest to longest. What is the measure of angle B at first, ya Muhammad, ya Yusuf?
Okay. Just 1 minute.
Yes,
67. B is 67.
67. Very good. What is the smallest angle? If the angle A is 50, angle B is 67, angle C is 63. What is the
A.
smallest angle?
A.
A. What is the opposite side of it?
A. The opposite side is B.
BC. So we have to
Yes,
write
BC.
here. I don't know why it is not written here. Oh my God. BC. BC. It is not writing. Okay, this should be C, guys. Type. What is the second angle?
AB.
Yes, angle C. So AB. So we have to
AB.
write here AB, guys. Type. What is the third angle? B. So the opposite
B.
side
So AC.
AC. Very good. So sorry for because I don't I have the ability I don't have the ability to write here. Okay. Type. Uh, Example number 4 for Walid. Walid, are
Yes,
you ready?
mister. Yes.
Are you ready? Naif,
Yes. Yes.
how are you? Can you see the figure, Walid?
Yes, mister.
Can you read it?
Du-
Paintball.
Paintball. During a game of paintball, opposing teams try to eliminate players on the opposite team. Manny and Len are on the same team and want to eliminate Logan from the game.
طيب.
If Manny, Len, and Logan are located at the position shown in the diagram, who is closer to Logan? Explain your reason.
You know what is the meaning who's closer? He wants to compare between the two sides. With the first side, Logan and Manel, and Logan and Len. How can you know? What is the measure of the third angle at first, Walid? This is 76 and this is 39. What is the measure of this angle? Add them, then subtract it from 180. Huh?
75.
75?
I think so.
Okay. Time. This is 75. What is the shortest angle? This angle.
Yes.
39. What is the opposite side? Lane Manel. Okay? Time. What is the second angle?
No, mister, not 75, 65, 65.
65. Okay. What
Yes.
is the second angle?
Manny.
Manny. What is the opposite side?
Lean.
Lane. Lane Logan. So this is the shortest side.
Yes.
So who is closer to her? Lane or Manel?
Uh,
Read it again. By the triangle angle sum theorem, the measure of the angle across from the segment between Logan and what?
Manny
Lean.
or Lean?
Logan and Lean is 65 because 65
65.
less than.
76. According
So
to Fium 6.10, Lean is closer to Logan.
yes, you know why? This is 65. This is 76. So the smallest angle, this angle is 65, so this side, the opposite side, is so shorter than that side. Shorter than means closer. So Lean is closer to Logan than Manel. Check your answer. Okay. طيب.
Okay, Mr.
Okay. We still have 4 minutes. Who wants to answer this question, guys? I want to see. Yusuf Samaha answered. Riyad answered. Muhammad Isam answered. Faisal. Yeah, Faisal. Faisal, can you hear me? Faisal. Faisal Khalid. Faisal. You cannot hear me. Okay. Muhammad Isam. Can you see the picture?
Yes,
Muhammad,
Mr.
can you read the question?
The frame of a bicycle forms triangle like the one shown, which is longer the tube represented by AB or the tube represented by AC.
Okay. Can you see the triangle? A, B, and this is
Yes,
C. This angle is what? 82. This angle is what? 44. What is the measure of the angle? C. Add 82 plus 44, then subtract it from 180. Who can answer this question, guys? Huh? We want to know the measure of this angle to know which one is longer. What is the measure of angle C, guys? Yeah, Yusuf.
Mr. It's 54.
50?
4.
54. So, which is longer? AB or AC? What is the opposite angle for
The
AB?
answer is B,
54.
AC.
AB?
No, AC.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yeah, Muhammad Assam. We need the longer. The opposite angle for AB 54, as you said. Am I correct?
Yes.
So this is 54, the opposite side of it, AB. And
Yes.
44, the opposite side of it, AC. So the longest side is AB, Muhammad. Am I correct?
Yes, you're correct.
Okay, guys. Thank you, guys, for your listening. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Have a nice day. Okay?
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Bye.